Hello everyone, nice to see you again. YOTMT is a leading technology-based enterprise that specializes in manufacturing, selling and servicing of special-purpose machine tools and combined machine tools, which is one of the most authoritative famous manufacturers in the industry from China. Based on the ISO 9001 quality system, mainly produces CNC machine tools for milling and vase and center hole, milling, drilling, tapping and threading center, horizontal, vertical CNC lathe, CNC machining center, customized multifunctional special CNC machine tools, etc. In addition, also include machine tool accessories. We also customize multi-station combined machine tools and production lines according to customers' specific requirements. Youtai Machine Tool is a professional, efficient and innovative CNC machine tool developer with dozens of various patents highly recognized at the national level, and has been awarded honorary titles such as National Integrity Enterprise, Outstanding Contribution Enterprise, and China's Famous Enterprise.